Takot ka ba sa math? Ngayon, changing mixed number to improper fraction tayo. Okay, paano ba yan? So, 4 and 3/4. Okay. Denominator times whole number. So, ito times mo yan. Plus the numerator. Okay. So, 4 times 4 equals 16. Plus 3 na numerator. So, 19. And then, copy mo lang yung denominator. So, 4 and 3/4, ang kanyang improper fraction ay 19/4. Okay? So, next naman, doon tayo sa 3 and 1/5. Okay? So, ulit, 3 times 5, 15, plus 1, 16. So, 16, copy the denominator. So, 3 and 1/5 is equal to 16/5. Okay? Next, 7 and 2/3. Okay. 7 times 3, 21 plus 2, 23. So, 23/3. Ganun lang. So, 7 and 2/3 is equal to 23/3. O yan, ikaw naman magsagot itong 5 and 2/5, 8 and 1/2, and 4 and 3/4. Simple lang, di ba? Hindi naman siya nakakatakot. Kaya, huwag ka na mag-alala.